If you're looking to scale your Amazon business, JungleScout's data can be a game changer, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage it for success. By the end, you'll be using JungleScout's powerful tools to make data-driven decisions, find winning products, and grow your business faster than ever. First, let's talk about product research. One of the core features of JungleScout is its product database. This allows you to filter through millions of products and narrow down your search based on factors like sales, reviews, and price. Want to find products that are trending with high demand and low competition? JungleScout gives you the power to filter by categories, estimate sales, and make informed decisions on what's worth adding to your Amazon store. Once you've found potential products, you can dive deeper with the product tracker. This tool helps you keep an eye on product performance over time by tracking sales, inventory levels, and pricing. It's a fantastic way to gauge how well a product is doing in the market and whether it's something you want to invest in or not. You can use this data to predict trends, spot shifts in consumer demand, and ultimately choose products that will help you scale your Amazon business. Another game-changing tool is the Keyword Scout. This is essential for Amazon SEO. You'll want to rank your listings for the most relevant and high-traffic keywords, and JungleScout's Keyword Scout helps you find them quickly. The tool gives you search volume estimates and competition data, making it easy to see which keywords will help you rank higher and get more visibility on Amazon. Now let's talk about suppliers. One of the most important aspects of scaling your business is having a reliable source for your products. JungleScout's supplier database allows you to find verified suppliers based on the products you want to sell. You can filter by location, supplier reliability, and even check how well they've performed in the past. This gives you peace of mind knowing you're partnering with suppliers who can scale with you. To wrap it all up, JungleScout offers an incredibly powerful suite of tools to help you grow your Amazon business. Whether you're new to the platform or already familiar with it, using JungleScout's data to make smarter decisions will help you scale faster and with less risk. And remember, you can try out JungleScout completely free with our exclusive bonus through the first link below. The trial gives you access to all of the features I just mentioned, so you can dive right into scaling your Amazon business with the same tools used by top sellers. So don't miss out on this opportunity to start using JungleScout's data to your advantage. Click that link below, grab your extended free trial, and start your journey to success today.